Hey everybody, welcome to Watch Me Practice Trading. This is video number 6 in the series of Watch Me Practice Trading 2025 RDV 4. And I've done 5 previous videos. This is all trading October 1st, 2024. We started at 8:30 in the morning. And we traded through 11:36 in the last video. So we're resuming from 11:36 a.m. And we'll see if we want to continue through lunch or just go after lunch. Start the next video like 12:45-ish or so, just before 1 o'clock. The last video or two, it was kind of going sideways. Well, it's been going kind of sideways for a while now. So the last video was kind of garbagey price action, and we'll kind of need to see what we want to do here. And I was also thinking about something where I'm going to try to not get into trades all the time. Like I've done in previous videos, I'm going to be a little smarter about getting into trades. So if there's going to be a lot of time in between trades, I'll just probably clip those sections out. Like if I don't do a trade for 20 minutes, I'll just clip that for entertainment's sake, just to not make huge videos. But we'll see how this goes. So here we're going kind of sideways. We have, a little bit of stuff going on here, and kind of need to decide if we're going to go up or down. Actually, this can probably be extended to the left, maybe like that. So we've got a considerable range here. Oh, and these tick charts, actually, so it's a 5-minute on the top left. This is another time chart. This is a 1 hour on the bottom left. And then these are small, medium, and large tick charts that I use. And I also have a 15-second that's off screen that you can't see, but it's kind of like this guy over here. So let's see. Do we want to go long? If we're going to go long, probably our target's going to be up there. Short target right down here. Maybe another target like here. Let's kind of figure out what we want to do. Since we're in this range here, this kind of sucks. Don't want to be a breakout trader. It's a steady move down, though. We had a couple of candles here that have been momentum short. Do we? Oh, of course. Of course, when I FOMO into that trade for 2, it pulls back. But hey, it picked us up for 5 more. And it goes back into the... Oh, and it reverses too. Oh, just fantastic. Okay. Let's kind of get a lay of the land. We'll see what happens there. So this is momentum and bias shortish below the daily open, below the weekly open. And I forgot what day this is. I think this is a Monday, October 1st. Let me take a look. Tuesday, October 1st. On the 5-minute chart, we are, momentum and bias short. We almost did a switch over here, but we kept short. And This guy here is momentum and bias short. Momentum bias short. This one did flip around 10:30 this morning. It's bias short, momentum long, but it went sideways and it might flip down. So it's like, which do we believe more? Oh, look at this. Sucks. We're going to believe the short because it flipped short here. And it stayed here. Let's see, we're in for 7. Let's take 3 off here. Actually, I don't want to do that. This is being real pokey. Okay, let's look at this price action that we got going on. Okay. So we got this red candle here, 905. Actually, we're at 900. So 19,900 is a psychological level, right? An even number. Let's see, we're in for 7. Maybe we want to put some kind of that reversed really quick. So we had a strong push down, but then this, like, it didn't even think about it, right? Like, here it was screwing around. Here was kind of, well, this was kind of screwing up, but man, that was a big push up. And then it came back down. Well, it might come back down here. Okay, we are flat. Let's see, do we want to unflat? Oh, but it's right at the bottom. It's like right at the bottom here. We're too close to this mess here. So I don't know if you guys heard that. It said pivot wick. So this is a pivot line right here. So it wicked into it. Actually, let's kind of take a look at that. It basically went to the pixel. Here, I just shorted 2 more. Let's try to take it right here. see, 68. Oh, that's too close. Let's go to like 71. So if we look at this, I mean, that's been a strong move. It's in between this ATR band and this 9. Oh, wait, I should have stayed in 1. Oh, 67 short. 57 long. That's what these bubbles are here. Oh, wow. I was just going to short it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so looking at this chart over here, what we're going to do is we're going to watch this. If we get a big move up above this, so you see how this is flattening out versus being diagonal. Actually, let's draw some channels. Okay, what we got? What we got? So here on this big boy, let's draw like that and like that. Absorption bubble. Oh wait. Okay, so we had another pivot wick. We had a pivot wick here and a pivot wick here from underneath. Let's get rid of this. Oh, we create another imbalance line right here. What's it going to do? Here, let's pick. Where do we want to go? All right, so on the downside, we've got our friend here. And it's Buddy right there. On the top side, do we want to count this level? Probably not. Got this. And another pivot. Let's say up here at the top of this rangy thing and that pivot. So this could have been an easy, quick gimme, as it was probably going to come back up here. Strong move up. This was an order for 78. So somebody's believing in the long, which usually means it reverses right away. They go in the red. Oh. So this officially broke out of this pseudo channel that I drew that I really don't like too much. So I'll get rid of it. Let's draw it on here. Got that. Oh, that was a terrible angle. I'll do that. And that's better. Why didn't that extend? It did, but it's not drawing it out here. I don't know why. So, I mean, it stayed in this entire move down, and then we can see, like right here on this candle, it broke out of it. So now this one is switching momentum long, but it's holding bias, which is this line here. What's it like on here? So what do we believe? Momentum bias short, momentum bias short, bias short, momentum long. It just switched, but that could be temporary. This is momentum and bias short. It flipped a couple minutes ago. That one is what it is. Now, big change here. Indecision, right, with the doji dude. So we're in this area here. Is it going to reverse? Or is it going to keep going up here and here? Well, that tells us something right there. I really want to get in. I'm going to try not to FOMO into this. Let's see, how long are we? 17 minutes. Maybe we'll go for a couple more minutes. Oh, that's a really nice move. Is it going to react here? Here, let's do this. Let's do, if it comes back down here, let's do a too long right above it. Oh, look at these. It's a nice green candle. How big is that? That is 63 points. And we got 0 of it. So kind of looking back at this is a big mess over here. We had imbalances. We had a pivot level. The S3 pivot and the opening range low right here. So this line here is opening range low. That's a pivot. And a bunch of stuff down below. Weekly low. A strong level that I drew from, I don't know, a couple days ago. Another strong level. And then a bias. Not a bias. A gap. If we look on the top right, that was a nice move down. Almost invalidated that dude, but not quite. Subsequent ones did. See how far it pulls back. So we got a bunch of stuff here. It's all like on top of itself. I mean, across, like 20 points and stuff. Here's it going to come down and get us. Ooh, almost. Did it? No, it didn't. Oh, are you freaking kidding me? Come on, dude. This was a 56 long right here. That was BS right there. I don't like that price action. That's not. I'm going to get out of that because it's like going up and down, up and down. Well, I would have liked it if I was in it from right there. Well, that sucks. So the question is, if it comes back down to try to touch this bad boy here, oh, that's right at 900 or 899, 899.50. How are we looking now on here? Let's try to draw another channel here. Oh, big move up. That. Actually, this is a nice one. Yeah, we broke out of the channel. Double top. It's like head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, somewhere maybe knees and toes. Didn't quite get here. Like it didn't quite get here. So this was there's a long signal here on this guy. Oops. Very wicky right at that level. And we drew this channel just a little bit ago. Right? If this is the top of the channel, then this is the bottom-ish of that channel. I mean, we can see it kind of held this 50% of that channel. Let's see what it's going to do now. Is it going to come down here-ish? Rip through this guy, maybe go to the 50 of that channel. Maybe go down here. Let's move this down. See if it'll test down here before it goes long, maybe to here or here. Or do we believe the short? I don't know. I don't like this price action. Because we are, right, lower highs, lower lows, right? Low, lower low, lower low. Volatility kind of petered off. It's 12 o'clock. No, let's just call this video here and we'll skip the lunchtime. Maybe it's going to be garbagey lunchtime. and we'll come back around 12:45 and continue maybe through the second or the first pivot, second pivot, whatever it's called. We'll go through that. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let's kind of review this here. I mean, we caught a little bit of a short. I like that it was profitable. I think we got in for 7 contracts total. And this is kind of like garbagey price action. Volatility's kind of meh. It's a downward, like a descending value channel. Looks like it is holding it here, right? Are we going to go down to like here, maybe like 840-ish? And then down here, or maybe we'll tap this guy here and come back up, go down here, come back up. I mean, that's the two things that are on the table. We'll find out when we come back after this video. But we did short that like here. We caught that kind of late, but it was okay. We sized up to 7 NQ, which netted us a decent profit. And the only thing that I think I probably would have liked better is I think the way that I traded it, I actually got out at the bottom. I would have had a runner continue just in case it went down, but it actually worked out okay. And there was I did get out of a couple positions manually, and I'm kind of glad that I did, because that's one thing I've been trying to work on with not having as many trailing stops, because those pretty much screw me. Oh, look at that. It's coming back to this level here. I really want to long it right there, thinking that it'll tap this and come back. But you know what? It's 27-minute video. I don't want to make this like a 4-hour long one. So, yeah, that's basically about it. I like that we caught this move down because it actually broke out of this range area over here, which it kind of went back into. So we got that range area sideways. We got this value channel down, and we'll see where it goes. All right, catch you all in the next video.